Hello! To change screen password on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go into the lock screen and AOD. And right here we have the screen lock and biometrics. We have to go in here and input our current password or pattern. Alright, press continue and now we can change it. We can change the screen password and we have 4 methods, actually 5 methods right here. We can set it up to PIN, password, pattern, swipe with no security and none. So simply to change the password you can set up any method that you like. Let's select for example this password one. And yeah, right here you have to input the password and the password must contain at least 1 characters, including at least 1 letter. So it is basically the, for example, PIN, but with letters. And yeah, you type in your password, press continue. And actually I don't know what I typed in, so let me just type in, I don't know, 4Ps, continue, again 4Ps, okay. And that's how to set up the new password. And as you can see, we have changed the screen password right now. I previously had the PIN one, now I have the password. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.